Hey YouTubers, today I'm going to make this quick video of my new Kohler Magnum 16. Just picked up a bit ago, a couple of days ago. Traded some scrap metal, a sander, and $150. When I got it, the engine ran pretty good, but I decided to clean the carburetor and make it run that much better. The fuel tank has been damaged, so I'm going to have to do something with that. But I'm thinking of putting it on the 1256 because the Wisconsin engine on there burns a lot of oil and does not seem to run right. So here she be. Made up a wiring harness and the connector. A cheap little short wiring harness just to run the engine. It's got a muffler on it, but there's some leaks. Idle's really low. Yep, just running off the battery of the 1250, the H14. Started doesn't sound the healthiest, but I'd never owned a Kohler before, so don't really know what they're supposed to sound like. Still needs a little bit of adjustment done. Need to put the air cleaner back on. Not a lot of blow by. There's no smoke coming out of the exhaust. Well, it doesn't burn any oil. Voltage regulator has muffler. Yep, so I'm pretty impressed with it so far. And it's even got the right crankshaft to go in the 1256. Tractors. I'm planning on putting a Kohler Command, well, Kohler CH20 in here, so it's Command 20 horse. There's not much room under the hoods of these, so we'll have to see what happens. But yeah, this thing burns oil really bad, and there's a lot of blow by, and yeah, you can see it burns oil really bad. And there's like a knock in it. But this engine was actually replaced in 1988, and this tractor's 72 or so. I'm just kind of estimating that's when it was built. But yeah, strangely enough, got to get around to pulling the motor out of that and putting that one in. But I don't know if it'll fit underneath the hood with the fuel tank and that. But we'll see. Because this is a really nice tractor to drive. And also the steering wheel was replaced. So, thanks for watching. Cheers.